Hey, Dad, it's a thick book sitting out there on the porch. It says noise complaints. You want me to bring it in? Boy, leave that book out there. That's not even a real book. Brad put that book out there on my porch. It's just a picture with a bullhorn with my name under it. The rest of that book is empty. Guess he trying to say I'm loud. Dad, what were you or you and Mom doing to the point Brad created a fake noise complaint book? Boy, I'm not concerned about Brad. Brad saw the guys come over for poker. He wanted to join us, but Fred's still in his feelings because his girlfriend left him for a white guy. So he don't want to see them right now. I told Brad wait till next week. But as you can see, he in his feelings too.